Welcome in a quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can blur a video in a Hitfilm Express 12, and it's really pretty easy. So all you have to do is just be in a Hitfilm Express, go to effects and right there blur. Go blurs, blur, paste it. Now as you can see it's blurred. Let's see it now. Let's open it and we can see the radius. Iterations, and now what you can do is to animate it. So let's say that blur will start, I don't know, radius, it will be normal here. Now it will start being blurry like that. It will stay blurry, so another keyframe. No, let's stay like that. And then it will go again to the back. So let's play it now. Blur. And not blur. So this is the blur effect in Hitfilm Express 12. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you all everybody and goodbye.